Uniformity, it is almost impossible. But uniformity in terms of the essence of Aqidah, this is needed. Uniformity in the higher aims and objectives of Sharia is a must. Uniformity on the political direction of the Ummah is a must. We never said that we will unify with those who do not believe that the Prophet ﷺ is the final prophet. We should not have phobia of it. Some people have Ghazali phobia. Some people have, come on, relax, yeah. And instead of talking, glorifying the disagreements, they should glorify what? The agreement. These are the principles of Islam. The honest teacher, he has to expose his students directly to other views, to other scholars. He should. Do we want the Ummah to be a strong and powerful Ummah? If someone says no, then this is a problem. You want to focus on spiritualities. You don't want to get involved in politics. That's fine. But don't say what? Involvement in politics is haram or it is counterproductive. Don't say this. When I am involved in politics, for example, I should not look down, belittle anyone who is what? Who is not involved in politics.